Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss some interesting puzzles and problems that will sharpen your analytical thinking power. I'm also informing all of you that I'm taking a break now in covering statistical methods for a while, and I may later revisit with advanced concepts. I thought it's time for us to focus on analytical mind algorithmic thinking, AMAT in short form, with a variety of problems and puzzles. I'm sure you will enjoy, and this will sharpen your thinking capability and thinking differently. So let me first begin. What is this AMAT according to my understanding? So I'm giving an overview, and let's say we are using the term out-of-the-box thinking, which is very important, which is closely related or almost synonymous with thinking differently. I have captured here a picture where somebody is giving a lot of exercises to the thinking power in the brain and thinking in different dimensions and different methods to solve a problem. So thinking differently, out of the box thinking, thinking differently, we must understand, we must encourage people while solving a problem using out of the box method of solving or thinking differently. 9 out of the 10 people think in a structured way, but somebody else thinks differently, which is quite interesting, and we must encourage. That is how some of the complex problems are solved. Then another term which is critical is experimenting new ideas. New ideas you must experiment, and there is a risk of, I would call, failure in your ideas in the sense of reaching the solution of the problem. But instead of calling it failure, you will discover how many ways these ideas will not work for solving the problem. And therefore, instead of using the word failure, I'm saying you have experimented, and in the process, you have discovered how many ways these ideas will not work or will not lead to the solution. Then you strike a new idea and solve the problem. This is experimenting new ideas for solving problems. We must always encourage people to experiment. Then pattern recognition. While you are solving a problem, you are looking at pattern, what kind of pattern emerges. Pattern recognition is one of the key elements in the world of analytics. It's extremely important and handy for all the corporate executives, pattern recognition. So this skill, a manager must have all these skills. Now, we must encourage all these skills and therefore put together out of the box thinking, closely related or almost synonymous with thinking differently, experimenting new ideas, and pattern recognition. Perhaps I would call all these four constitute what is called analytical mind algorithmic thinking, or AMAT. Let's now look at what is thinking differently with an example. Suppose you are asked a question, very standard thing everybody is asking. Perhaps all of us know the answer. We all know how to get 100 using 9 4 times. You will have to use 9 4 times and you will get 100. The standard reply will be 99 plus 9 divided by 9 is equal to 100. I have used 9 4 times. I have got 100. But can you think differently? How about 99 divided by 0.99? This is also equal to 100. This is a classic example of thinking differently. we must encourage. Not only that, 99 by 0.99 is equal to 100. Somebody may say 9 divided by 0.9 into 9 divided by 0.9, which is equal to 10 into 10, which is also equal to 100. Not only that, any number between 1 and 9, I can use 4 times and get 100. For example, take 7. 77 divided by 0.77 is also 100. So this is the classic way we can develop thinking differently that leads to a solution. And sometimes we may even have a breakthrough in a problem where we are unable to find a solution. So all these 4 skills, ladies and gentlemen, out of the box thinking, thinking differently, experimenting with new ideas, and pattern recognition. So I'm going to cover a number of examples. I've started with thinking differently under the title AMAT. Thank you very much. We will see you soon in another video with a problem. Thank you very much.